Right. So in the previous class, so we learned the operators, different kind of operators. That is relational operators and logical operators, and also some bitwise operators. Bitwise operators, right? Okay. And we have performed some bitwise operations also. Bitwise and bitwise or bitwise complement. Okay, and bitwise exclusive or, right? All these operations we performed on the bitwise operators, bitwise and bitwise or bitwise exclusive or and bitwise complement. Is that clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so bitwise operators was done, right? Okay, and we performed some bitwise operators. Okay, still some operations let me perform today. Okay, on the bitwise operators, right? Okay, so next. Let us go with that. So consider the operator here. Okay, make it column, 3 columns. Okay, and description, and put the descriptions here, and then so operation to be performed. Next example. So we'll take an example. Okay, make it 3 columns. Operator, description, example. So how many? Basically, how many bitwise operators are there? 4.
4.
And or exclusive or and then complement. So
Complement.
tilde operator, right? Is that clear? Is that clear? Right? So we'll perform first of all and here and so whatever the operations we performed on A and B, so it will just carry over here also. Okay. So consider A as 60, right? And what is the binary equivalent of 60? And make it as 1 byte. Okay, 1 byte is a combination of 8 bits. Okay, so consider the value of A, that is 60. So what is that? And B is equal to 13 we have taken, right? Okay, and convert this into a binary format, and then all the bitwise operators will be performed on the zeros and ones, nothing but binary digits, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what is the value of 60 in binary?
So 00, 4
Ah,
times 1, 00.
what?
00,
Double zero, double one,
11,
double one,
00.
double. Okay, so what about 13? What about 13?
00, 00,
So zero, double zero,
1101.
01, right? Okay, so description here we will consider binary and operator. Copies a bit to the result if existent both operands. Okay, so here A and B. Okay, binary and operator copies a bit to the result if exist in both the operands. Okay, A and B. Consider A and B. Okay, so perform this 60, 13. Okay, we have converted this into a binary number. Okay, perform the AND operation. Perform the AND operation. So we have done already. Okay, perform that operation and then convert that into a decimal number. Okay, so what we'll get? You see, you combine these two. Okay, so and 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0, right? So 4 bits, 4 bits, totally 8 bits. Then it becomes a 1 byte. Okay, it was 4 zeros, double one, 0 1. Okay, perform this operation, right? What about AND? What about AND? All the expression should be true, nothing but 1. Then only it returns 1 as a result. Okay, otherwise it will be 0, right? 0 1 is 0, 0 1 1, and then all the things will be 0. So what is this equivalent of? What is this equivalent of? Okay, if both the expressions are true, then only it returns true. In either in the cases, if any expressions will be false, then the entire expression will be resulting in false. Okay, so you're not attended yesterday, I told you, on Saturday class, right? Okay, logical operator, and or not. Okay, right? Next, so what is the, this is the output. So what is the decimal equivalent of? Okay, convert this into decimal number. How you will convert this number into decimal number? Take the 2
2
powers.
powers.
Good. What is the equivalent of? Find that. Sure. Okay, no need of calculate and all this. Only 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 12 is the equivalent. Okay, this is
1.
what perform the operation. Okay, so do it. Okay, and or not concept gotaita, right? Logical operator concept gotagide alva. Okay, so in and all the expressions must be true. Okay, then only it is resulting true. Okay, if any either of the expression is false, then entire expression will be resulting in false, right? In or what happens? Either any one of the expression may be false, it returns true value. Okay, when and only it returns false value when all the expression must be false. Okay. Okay, and then complement, you know that not. Okay, if it is true, it returns false. If it is false, it returns true. Okay, it negates, complements. Aita.
Yes, sir.
Right, next. Binary or. The same thing, only I will change or. Okay, the remaining thing will be same, no changes. Description. Description, no change. Okay, only the or operator will change, right? Bitwise or. Okay, here. So what is the operator I need to write? A or B. Okay, so again you consider the value A 0 0 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, so what is the result now? 0 1 is 1, 0 0 is 0, 0 or is 1 is 1, 1 1, next 1 1 0 0. What is it is equivalent of? Decimal equivalent of. What is that decimal equivalent of? ನೋಡಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? What it returns? Check it out. Correct ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ನಾನು bitwise or operation correct ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ನೋಡಿ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ first. Check it out whether I have performed the or operation correctly or not. What is the output? ಬೇಗ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಯಾಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ? ರಿಲ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಎಲ್ಲ? ಇನ್ನು ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಮೂಡಿಂದ ಆಚೆ ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ನನಗೆ ಡೆಸಿಮಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲೆಂಟ್ ಹೇಳಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಜಸ್ಟ್ 9 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಡೆಡ್. ಸೊ 9 + 2 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇರೋ 32 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 9 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಇದಾರೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್, 11 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅದರ್?
61, sir.
61. Next. What is this operator?
Exclusive OR.
Okay, so this can be written as exclusive OR, XOR. Okay, ಇದು ಬೈನರಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೂಲಿಯನ್ ಆಲ್ಜಿಬ್ರಾದಲ್ಲಿ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾತ್ರ ಕಲಿತು ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ PUC ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Okay, so change ಮಾಡೋಣ. Okay, so description here will changes. Okay, so the binary XOR operator copies the bit, it exists if it is set in one operand, not in both. Okay, so we will perform this. Okay, because the similar expressions will be returning in 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 1 combination returns true. XOR. Okay, so what you will write here? X or A XOR B. Okay, 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, perform this. Okay, what happens here? See, 0 1 combination returns 1. 0 0 returns 0. 1 1 returns 0. 1 1 returns 0. 1 0 combination returns
1.
again 1. Here 0.
0 0.
What is it is equivalent of decimal?
$49, sir.
Very good. Okay, next complement. Binary ones complement. Operator is unary. Unary operator ತಾನೆ? And has as the effect of flipping effect of flipping.
Sir, it is not visible, sir.
ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Effect of flipping. Effect of flipping bits. Effect of flipping bits. Flipping nothing but so interchange the value, right? Flipping bits. Okay. So we'll try this not A. You perform the operation not A. What is the output it will come? Okay. See the ಆಮೇಲೆ ಬರೀತೀನಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ just okay. Binary ones complement operator is unary and has effect of flipping bits. Okay, so it converts the 1 value into 0 and 0 value into 1. Okay, so ಅಳಿಸ್ಬೋದಾಯ್ತು ಇಷ್ಟನ್ನು? Shall I erase this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ಈ ಕಡೆ ಬರೀರಿ. ಇದು ಹೀಗೆ ಇರಲಿ, ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾರಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Right. So example we will take for which one?
Not yet.
No. This one. TD operator. That is ones complement operator we'll call. Okay. So A na first ತಗೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. So what is the A value? 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0. Okay. So what is 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1. Right. So what is it equivalent of decimal? Okay. Check it out. And then so B. So what is the binary equivalent of B13? 0 0 0 0 1 1 0 1. Right. So complement of B. Let us consider the complement of B 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0. Okay. So what is the equivalent of decimal? Check it out for both not A and not B.
Yes, was 195, sir.
Which one? Not A.
Yes, sir. Not A is 195.
195. So what about 13? Complement of 13? That is not B. A complement of B. So,
242, sir.
2. 14.
42.
Right? Okay, so we will consider now left shift operator. This is what we call left shift operator. So one more bitwise operator. So let us see. So what happens here? Okay, so binary left shift operator the left operands value is moved left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. Okay, right. So here I'll consider the value a of 2. What happens here? So what they are saying, so this is binary left shift operator, the left operand's value. Okay, so which are the left operand value? Okay, of a 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0, right? So move to left by the number of bits specified by the right operand. Okay, so which is this operand? So 2. So it will be shifted to the left side. It will be shifted to the left side. Then these 2 bits will be moved. Okay, so then what is the remaining? 1 1 1 1 0 0, and then what is the blank will be filled with? Okay, so I moved this 2 bits towards left, then so this 1 1 will be occupied by this space, and then this 1 1 will be occupied this space, and then 0 0 occupied 1 1 space, and then what is the remaining space will be filled with?
0.
Huh?
0.
Yes. This is the right left shift operator. Okay, this is the result. Okay, so what is the output? What is the decimal equivalent of this? Check it out. Okay, next right shift operator. Okay, binary the right shift operator. Okay, the right operand value is moved right by the number of bits specified by the left operand. By the left operand. See here, like this. Okay. So right. So what is the binary equivalent? 240. Okay. So and do it for B also here. B 3 mana. Okay. Shift this left shift operator. Okay. So what is the binary equivalent of 13 0 1 1 0 1? Okay. This 3 will be shifted here. Okay. 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 0. Okay. So check it out. What is the binary decimal equivalent of this? Okay. So ಎರಡು ಬಲ್ಬ್ರನ್ನ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗೋಣ. Confusion ಬೇಡ. What is the A left shift operator? So after that, move ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. So what is the decimal equivalent?
Sir, A is 240. B is 224.
This one 240 B
40. 224.
what?
224.
224.
Right. Okay, so next, right? Clear aita? Any doubts in this left shift operator?
No, sir.
Any doubts in this left shift operator? And doubt idya? Confusion agutte. Don't get confused. Okay, please do ask if you have any doubts. Okay, so let us go with the right shift operator. The binary right shift operator, right shift operator. Okay, the right operand's value, it is moved to the right by the number of bits specified by the left operand. Okay, so check it out here. Okay, so what is the original value of A? 111100. Okay, it is moving towards right side. Okay, so 1111, then 00, and then remaining thing will be filled with 0. This one. Okay, so what is the binary equivalent of? Okay, and then so B. Okay, we will consider 3 here. 00001101. Okay, so the right shift operator, consider this one. Now these three will be moved. Okay, this entire thing will be okay. So we'll get start with 1 0 0 0 0, right? Okay, and then so another 3 zeros will be added towards this one. Okay, so that's clear. Okay,
124, 224.
224. 124 or 224? I will see this B left shift operator 3. So Impana.
Sir, I'll cross.
248. After 32. 40. 104.
Sir, it's 224 only, sir.
224. Now check ಮಾಡಿ ನೀವೇ.
Sir, 2 power 7 is 128, 2 power 6 is 64, 2 power 5 is 32. If we add 224.
ನೋಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ.
2 power 0. 2 power 1, 2 power 2.
2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, 2 power 5, 2 power 6. 64 plus 32 plus 8. Check it out. 64.
104.
104 ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಂಪನ. It's 104. Left shift of 3. Okay, 2 power 6 is 64 ಅಲ್ಲ. 64 plus 32, what happens? 96. 96 plus 8, 104.
104.
104. Okay, so what about this? See, A right shift 2. Okay, 2 places it will be moved towards right side. So ಇದು ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀಬಹುದು ನೋಡಿ. 2 power 0 1 ಇರುತ್ತೆ. 1 B shifted towards
So that is
3.
1.
That is 1. So what about this? A shifted towards 2.
15.
15. Okay, check it out. That's it. Okay, this is all about the left shift and right shift operator. Okay, so completely, so we are done with the bitwise operations on AND or exclusive OR. So next complement, and then left shift and also right shift. Finished? Is that clear, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, shall I erase this? All the examples with description and also operator. So bitwise and bitwise or bitwise exclusive or next bitwise complement, bitwise left shift operator, bitwise right shift operator. Okay. Solaris, all this finished? Is that clear, everyone? Is that clear? Okay, so ಅಳಿಸ್ಬೋದಾ?
Yes, ma'am.
ಮಾತಾಡ್ರಿ, ತಿಂಡಿ ತಿಂದಿಲ್ಲನ್ರಿ? ಸುಮುಖ್, ಸಾಯಿ ಶರಣ್. Next. Okay, next. Assignment operators. Assignment operator. Actually, assignment operator is only one, which is which is that
Equal.
equal sign is called assignment operator, and then so equal sign is combined with arithmetic operators. Okay, then it becomes assignment operators, and we can also call it as a compound assignment operators. Right? First of all, you write on this. Okay, equal sign in C++ is known as
Operator or operators.
operators. Is known as assignment operator. Okay. The combination of arithmetic and relational operators along with equal ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅಂತ ತಿರ್ಗಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹೇಳಲ್ಲ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೇನೆ ನಾನು is known as compound assignment operators. Compound assignment operators. Okay, next one. The most common assignment operator is equal sign. This operator assigns. What it assigns? This operator assigns what?
The result of arithmetic operation.
What you told?
Result of
The result of arithmetic operation.
That what it assigns. First of all, what it assigns?
value for meaning.
Value to the identifier. The identifier may be a variable or constant, whatever. It also uses to store the operation. But what it first of all it assigns? It assigns the value to the identifier. Okay. This operator assigns the value to the identifier. Towards right step. Towards anta balbana. Towards right to left.
Left to right.
right to left. ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಗೆ right to left ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. Okay, so a is equal to say some value to the a upper case, lower case, sentence case, toggle case, whatever you can take. Okay,
ACV.
no value, you assign value. It may be positive integer, negative integer, or it may be a decimal integer constant or a hexadecimal, whatever. Okay, 26. Okay, what is this side? What is this side?
Right side.
Okay, so where it is assigning right to left. So this is right, this is left. What I am saying, right? Artha aita? So don't get confused. Right to left andre ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಇದು right to left andre ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ. Okay, so whatever it may be the value, it should be in right side. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಬರೀತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ right side ಅಂತ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. That will be assigned to the left side of the identity. So a ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿದೆ? What is a here?
Identifier.
Identifier.
Identifier. So
Identifier.
what is 26? It is decimal integer constant.
Decimal
right?
constant.
So what is this equal sign?
Assignment operator.
Assignment operator. This assignment operator assigning the value to the identifier. Okay, from right to left. Okay, right to left side ಅಂತ ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಬರಿಬಹುದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಆದ್ರೂ ಬರಿಬಹುದು. It's your wish. Okay, ಇಲ್ಲ right to left ಅಂತ ಮುಗಿಸಿದ್ರು ಆಯ್ತು. Okay, this is the most commonly used assignment operator, that is equal sign. Okay, equal sign will be called as an assignment operator, right? Okay, but here, so see, so the combination of arithmetic and relational operators along with equal sign, that is assignment operator, that will be called compound assignment operators, right? Is that clear? Is that clear? Okay, that we are going to write it in next concept, right? Is that clear? Idu clear ಆಯ್ತು? ಇದು clear ಆ? So ಇದು value ಯಾವ್ದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಕೊಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ. Okay, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ. Okay, so positive integer, negative integer, decimal integer constant, octal integer constant, hexadecimal integer constant, real numbers. Okay, real numbers in fraction format, and then exponential form, whatever you can take. So equal sign assigns the value to the identifier. The identifier may be a variable or a constant. Okay, is that clear? Is that clear? ಈಗ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು example ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಇದನ್ನ example ಅಂತಾನೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Okay, so for example, b is equal to a. Shall I consider like this? ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay, so ಆಮೇಲೆ c is equal to a plus b. Can I store like this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so equal sign, it assigns the value to the identifier. Okay, okay, ಯಾಕೆ ಇದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು, ಬೇರೆ ಏನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಕೊಡಬಾರ್ದ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ assigns all kinds of the value. It may be a variable, it may be a constant, it may be expression, or it may be a arithmetical expression or relational expression or logical expression even. Okay, so equal sign is the most commonly used assignment operator, and if it is combined with the arithmetic and relational operators, then it becomes a compound assignment operator, right? Is that clear? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಅಸೈನ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಪರೇಟರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಆಮೇಲೆ C++ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪಿ ಯು ಥ್ರೂ ಔಟ್ ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಯೂಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈನ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ರೈಟ್? ಅದೇ ಡಬಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್?
Equal to.
ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಕೊಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಈ ತರ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಬರೀತೀರಾ? ವಾಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್?
Arithmetic operator.
How it is arithmetic operator, Mr. Moksha Prada? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage will be remainder. Okay, that is front slash and then backslash. Integer division, float division. What is this operator? Indicates that relational operator equal to. ಯಾಕೆ ಯಾರು ಓದಿಲ್ವಾ? ಬರೀ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹಿಂದಿನ ದಿನ ಮಾತ್ರ ಓದ್ತೀರಾ? This is relational operator, right? Previous week, so we have discussed this relational operator and logical operator together. Nodi, double equal ಏನು? What is that? Double equal indicates that relational operator equal to. Okay, what is this?
Read ಮಾಡೋದು.
Equal to. What is this? Equal. Equal sign.
Equal to.
Assignment operator. So this is what is this?
Not equal.
ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ವಾ?
Not equal. Yes. Not equal to.
Double equal indicates that relational operator. Okay.
Equal to.
Equal to. Right? Is that clear? Is the clear assignment operators? So I'll write some operators with respect to compound assignment operator. So in the next operator. Here we will take an example, and so it is same as. Okay, right. Okay, so this is equal. Okay, so this is what we are written. A is equal to B. Then so it will be written as same as A is equal to B. Okay, so expression alli yaade barudnalla adu. Next, plus equal. What is the equivalent of? What is this plus indicates? Plus annodenu.
A plus B. Addition.
What is that? Plus indicates that arithmetic operator. So it is used to add any two variables or a constant or whatever, right? Okay, so here I need to write A plus equal to B. Okay, it is equivalent. It is as same as A is equal to A plus B. ಬರಿಬೋದಾ ನಂಗೆ ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನ? Can I write like this? A is equal to A plus B ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? Okay, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗಿ A plus equals to B ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದಾ? Yes or no? Yes or no? ಬರಿಬೋದಾ ಇಲ್ಲ? ಇದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ತರ ಇವೆರಡು ಈಕ್ವಲ್.
ಸರ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅದು.
Okay, you see A plus equal to B. This is what we call compound assignment operator.
Yes.
Compound assignment operator, it's combined with arithmetic operator. Assignment operator indicates that equal sign. Okay, so A plus equal to B is equivalent of A. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವುದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ? ಯಾವುದು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಾ? A. You consider outside. Okay, and what are you doing? A is equal to A plus B. This is the expansion form. Okay?
Okay, okay, sir.
Right. Okay. So next, minus equal as same as A minus of equal to B. A is equal to A minus of B. Okay. Next,
value specify ಮಾಡಿ example.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಷ್ಟ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು, ಖಂಡಿತ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. Okay. So A and B value, you specify the value for A and B here.
15.
Right? A is equal to 15 and B is equal to what is that? B.
5.
5.
5.
Right? So A plus B is equal to, so what happens here? 20. A plus what is this? 15. 15 plus equal to 5 antandra, so it becomes 20. Okay, here we can specify here A is equal to 15 plus 5, that is 20. 20 will be stored in A.
Sir, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ 20 ಅಂತ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. So here there is a variable called A. You can store the addition of two variables here. Okay, two variables ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Decimal integer constant ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, so that will be stored and then A will store the result 20. Here only 20 will be printed.
same identifier two times use ಮಾಡಬಹುದು.
Here ಇದಕ್ಕೆ equivalent ಇದು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ so you are adding here.
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ equal sign ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಏನು A ಅಂತ A B ಅಂತ ಏನು ಬರ್ದಿಲ್ಲ, just I have written the value 20, that's it. Okay, here A is remains as it is. Then so here you are adding any two integer constant 15 plus 5, so then it will be added and then A will be stored in,
a separate identifier.
yes, here. That's the expansion form. Right? Like that you can do here also. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ store ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, so 10. Okay, so here A is equal to 15 minus 5 is 10. 10 will be stored in A. Okay, so like that, so equal A star. ಇದನ್ನ ನಿಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಬಂದಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಲ್ಯಾಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತೇನೆ ಬೇಕಿದ್ರೆ. ಓಕೆ, ರೈಟ್? ನೀವು ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ಹಾಕಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಸೇಮ್ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ನಾನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ, ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ಕನ್ವೆ ದಿಸ್. Okay, shorthand form. A is equal to A star B. Okay, like that. So division equal. A division equal to B. A is equal to A divided by B. Next. Percentage is equal to A percentage equal to B. A is equal to A percentage of B. Next. So next is left shift equal to A left shift equal to 2. Okay, next A is equal to A of 2. We have done this, okay, previously in bitwise operation. Okay, like that. Next, A is equal to A of right shift 2. Okay, next, and equal. And equal. A and equal to 2. Then A is equal to A and 2. See, A and equal to 2. A is equal to A and 2. Next. What is this? What is this? What is this operator?
Exclusive or.
Exclusive OR.
Yes, it is bitwise operator, exclusive or equal. Okay, so here A equal to 2. A is equal to X or 2. Next, or equal. A is equal to A or 2. Okay, ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈಗ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Okay, so this also known as a shorthand notation. Shorthand notation and then shorthand so expression. Okay, so we can write like this using. So these are all will be called compound assignment operator. Okay, see, so ಇಲ್ಲಿ relational operator there and or ಮತ್ತೆ so this one what you call exclusive or. Okay, so ಇದನ್ನ combine ಮಾಡೋದು equal sign ಜೊತೆ combine ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ then it becomes a then what it becomes compound assignment operator.
So last one you have not assigned the value in the example.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ
OR ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Yes. Sir OR ಅಲ್ಲಿ A OR equal to 2 ಬರಿಬೇಕಲ್ವಾ sir?
which one?
ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Sir OR
A or
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಕೆಳಗೆ sir. ಹಾ.
2 the value 2 will need to return.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, okay na ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes sir.
Next, put a note. C++ shorthands. C++ shorthands. Okay, write this in note. Okay. C++ offers a special shorthands. Special shorthands simplifies coding a certain assignment statements. Assignment statements. Okay, so syntax for this. Syntax is equal to variable operator is equal to expression semicolon, put semicolon, variable operator is equal to expression. Okay, some examples. We'll take one example. X is equal to, okay, I'll take minus equal. Then what you will do here?
X is equal to minus 10.
What is the equivalent of? It's the equivalent of x is equal to x is equal to x minus of 10. Okay, expression.
ಸರ್ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಐಡೆಂಟಿಫೈ.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. How you could take that?
ಎರಡು ಒಂದೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದು ಇದ್ರೊಳಗಡೆ ಅದು ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು, ಇದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಆಪರೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ನೀವೇನ್ ಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅದು ಇದರಲ್ಲೇ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರಿಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. x ಗೆ ನಾವೇನು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್
ಸರ್ ಈಗ x minus 10 ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಇದು ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಲ್ವಾ?
ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ನೋಟೇಷನ್. ಓಕೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಇದು ಈಕ್ವಿವೆಲೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ವಾಟ್? x is equal to x
star 5.
This is expression ಅಲ್ಲ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಇದು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಬೇಕು? x ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ x ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಿ. So that value will be calculated and then it will be stored in variable x. Okay, that's why we have called this as a variable operator. Okay, and then here also x ಗೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಕೊಡಿ, so operation ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, it will be stored here in x. Okay, like this we can write. So this is what we call C++ shorthand. Okay, is that clear everyone? Is there any doubts in
Yes
this?
sir.
Shorthand
No doubts, sir.
yeah, C++ shorthand, and then assignment operator, and then compound assignment operator and its operation. Okay, is that clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
sir.
so the next operator will be, what is the next operator? C. Operator next tab is nodi. Look at the next operator. Help ಮಾಡಬೇಕು next ನೋಡಿ. Which is the operator?
Other operators ಅಂತ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
No, conditional operators ಇರಬೇಕು. Conditional operators, special operators, and finally it is other operators.
Sir, other
Sir,
operators.
conditional is after unary. Yeah, you have given conditional.
Conditional operator, okay. Unary operators ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ conditional operators.
Yes.
Okay, so now first bitwise operators ಮಾಡ್ಬಿಟ್ವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes, sir.
Bitwise operators
Yes,
ಆಯ್ತು, so ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ assignment operators. So next is conditional operator.
Conditional
And then colon is the conditional operator. So adatmele special operators and then finally other operators. Okay, so I'll continue tomorrow. Okay, bye everyone.
Thank you sir. Bye sir.